6 miraculous benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are roasted seeds obtained from a pumpkin. These seeds, which are almost a healing store thanks to the vitamins and minerals they contain, are a perfect type of dried fruit that can be consumed by all age groups, regardless of the season, with its unique flavor. Here are 6 miraculous benefits to human health of this food, which contains abundant magnesium, copper, iron, and zinc. 1. Good for depression. Depression is mostly a state of mental imbalance caused by zinc deficiency. Pumpkin seeds, on the other hand, are a very rich source of zinc and contain healthy fats. Thanks to the pumpkin seeds that you will consume a handful every day, the brain functions will relax, and the person having depression will enter the recovery process much faster. 2. It allows you to sleep comfortably. According to research conducted in clinical programs at various universities, pumpkin seeds have proven to serve as a natural sleeping pill. Serotonin is an excellent sleep ingredient, and its precursor, tryptophan, is abundant in pumpkin seeds. If you can't stop snacking before going to bed at night and have trouble sleeping, 2 handfuls of pumpkin seeds will help you a lot. 3. It creates an aphrodisiac effect. Thanks to the abundant omega-3, intense zinc, and unsaturated fatty acids in the pumpkin seeds, testosterone level and sperm production in men will increase. In other clinical studies, it was concluded that it increases fertility by 10%. To support your sexual health, experts recommend eating 1 handful of unsalted pumpkin seeds every day. 4. Protects bone health. Pumpkin seeds contain quality magnesium and calcium, which are important for bone formation. It prevents bone loss and muscle atrophy, which is likely to be seen especially in women in advanced ages. It was also determined that high magnesium intake was associated with high bone density and preserved the skeletal structure in the body by reducing the risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. 5. It protects heart health. Pumpkin seeds contain omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, antioxidants, and high amounts of fiber. This combination is very useful for both the heart and liver. The fibers inside the pumpkin seeds help reduce the total cholesterol level in the blood and minimize the risk of heart disease. 1 handful of pumpkin seeds consumed daily constitutes 74% of manganese in our body, making it a good source to prevent heart disease. 6. Prevents kidney stones. Pumpkin seeds help to reduce toxins in the body due to their diuretic and antioxidant properties. It stimulates circulation and increases kidney function. Uric acid and other various toxins are easily removed from the body thanks to pumpkin seeds, and it also significantly prevents the formation of parasites and kidney stones. Pumpkin seeds, which are rich in calories, have many benefits to the human body and should be consumed based on the experts' intake quantities recommendations. Eating only 1 to 2 handfuls of pumpkin seeds, which is the amount recommended by the World Health Organization, WHO, is good for your health. Thanks to its protein content, it can be a healthy and practical food that will accompany you in your snacks, making you feel full. This is the right place to get informed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos.